Right, we're taking a bit of a risk here because the grass is rather long, and every time I put one of my cars on there with the long grass it gets stuck and either burns the motor out or kills the receiver. So we'll give it a bit of a go because it's not convenient to go out to a duck pond or anything at the moment. I think because I've turned the tyres round it'll have problems on the grass. So, well, we'll find out. Yes. Well, I think we have killed it. This side is struggling. So yeah, something wrong there. Definitely something wrong. Looks like another disassembly's coming up. There's a guy who comments for me. I've forgotten his name. I apologise. I'll put a link to his videos because he's been doing similar toys and he's already modified them to hobby grade with ESCs and proper batteries, so that's probably what we'll end up doing here. Some sort of cutout, isn't there? Maybe it's got a thermal cutout, because that was alright after I left it for a few seconds, wasn't it? Yeah, I think it's got a thermal cutout. Well, all I've done is left it for a few seconds. It's got a thermal cutout, and being on the long grass there overheated it and it shut itself down. camera on the back. That's not doing much now, it's been folded flat. Still, that looks interesting. Looks like there's a bit of, say, thermal cutout to protect it. Yes. On the positive side, it looks like my homemade 2S LiPo lithium-ion battery is working. I've just checked the actual motors, or if I spin the wheels, you can hear this side is different to this side. This one seems to be nice and free, whereas this side, it's definitely got some sort of resistance. So, anyway, it works, but we might have to do some more work on it. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.